What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, guys. Today I'm back with more Stardew Valley action, guys. I've been getting a lot of comments lately. Can you make a Stardew Valley multiplayer? Can you make a multiplayer video, guys? So I've been working. It's been a month since I said I'll make a video, guys. So I finally got it to work after many tries, fixes, errors. Guys, I finally got it to work. So yeah, guys, in this video I'm just gonna demonstrate to you guys and show you the proof that it's working. And then, guys, I know this is a letdown, but this video is not actually going to show you how to install the multiplayer. I know I might get some hate, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I just can't release it straight away because I work so hard on it, guys. I really want to release it for you guys, but I can't since guys, it's coming at the end of the year, guys. For this year, at the end of the year, guys, my only goal was to hit 800 subscribers, guys. The views are doing amazing. Stardew Valley 1.5.5, the latest version, how to install it, Google Drive link, guys. That video is doing amazing. We just hit 2.2k on it in under a week. So yeah, guys, that is amazing. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna release the video, guys, after we hit 800 subscribers. So yeah, guys, just smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll teach you guys how to do this. So yeah, guys, this is another virtual machine I'm operating on my MacBook. So yeah, as you can see, I'm locating the farm right now. As you can see, this is the farm I opened. In this case, I named the guy Asa. So it's day 2, year 1. So guys, basically, as you can see, I can actually see the map loading on my screen, on the multiplayer screen. I'm just gonna double click it, guys. I just have to blur this out for a few seconds because I do have my IP address here and I'm not so good at video editing at the moment that I don't know how to specifically just blur the parts. So I'm just gonna blur everything, guys. So yeah, guys, but that's it, guys, pretty much. As you can see, there he is, the other guy, and I'm in the world, guys, with the 50,000 coins. As you guys can see, guys, we're in the coop together. So guys, this is the proof of multiplayer actually working, guys. So yeah, guys, everything does work, guys. Again, my only request for you guys is, can we please hit that 800 subscriber mark, guys? Either ways, guys, it will be released on New Year's, but if we hit it before, guys, I'll release it before, guys. But guys, thank you guys so much for everything, guys. If we can hit the 800 subscribers, that would be awesome, guys. Thank you guys always, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.